Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can check your Bonga Point balance in your Safaricom SIM. What you're basically supposed to do, just get into your phone, then select *456#, then press OK. So after doing that, you'll be taken into this interface. What you need to select, you just need to select Bonga Point, which is the option 2. Then you need to come to where we have more, since we want to check, we don't want to redeem. Then you need to come here and select checkpoints, then click option 7. So check my current point or avoid the Bonga point. So I just select my current points and visualize my current point. You can notice that my points are 57, which is equivalent to shillings 11. So they are good Bonga point, which I can use to call and buy some token when the economy is not performing very well. They can be so helpful. So that is how we check balance of the Bonga Point in our Safaricom SIM or the Bonga Point which you have. Basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up in case you get it helpful. Thank you, and may God bless you.